The HydraGuard measures the moisture in the skin and gives more insight into the condition of the skin. Ideal for measuring the results of the treatment before and after. To operate the HydraGuard, make sure the skin area is clean and dry. Release the top lid. Press the button to switch on the power with one short beep. Wait until the LCD display shows a constant 0% and 2 beeps are heard. Place the square HydraGuard tip on the first area you wish to measure, the forehead. Make sure the square tip of the HydraGuard is pressed into the skin for a few seconds until a single long beep is heard. The LCD display will indicate the moisture level of the measured skin area. Press the O button and place HydraGuard on the next area, the eyes. Press the O button again and continue with the cheek area. Repeat previous steps and finish with the chin.